What you want to do in these workshops is figure out what people are really good at. Where is their talent? What do they have enthusiasm for? And what you want to do is put them in those positions where they're going to be most effective and most efficient. You have to look for that when you're going through these workshops. Second, create an environment where change thrives, because as we said, we can't bring visions to life unless we have a culture of change along with a culture of relentless execution. In the value acceleration methodology, there are predefined workshops in each gate of the methodology: discover, prepare, and decide. You can use workshops to move the client through the triggering event, to help them determine what their vision and purpose is, to establish goals and objectives, to create and deliver actions. As you move clients through this process using workshops, and those workshops are repeated every 90 days, you will develop rhythm, where the workshops are just the way people do business. It's not some special project or some special thing that we're doing. That's ultimately what we're trying to get to.